In this video, I want to show you how to reset this lock. This is the Weiser element keypad door lock. So you want to reset your lock if it's not working properly, or maybe you've lost your code. A reset is going to restore the lock to the factory default settings so you can program it and add new codes. So to reset this lock, the first step is to go to the interior assembly. And what you want to do next is to remove the interior cover. This is the cover right here. You want to hold it this way and slide the cover up and remove it. So to reset your lock, what you want to do is to press and hold the programming button for 15 seconds. This is the programming button right here. So you want to press and hold it. Keep holding. Once you hear that long beep, release it. Now press it once more. So that's it, the reset is complete. So what you want to do next is to perform the door handing detection. After resetting this lock, what you want to do next is to perform the door handing detection. The lock needs to know if your door is a right or left-handed door. So to do this, the first step is to press the programming button once. Now let's go to the keypad. So the next step is to press 0 and hit the lock button. So you can see the movement of the bolt. The bolt has extended and retracted to learn the orientation of the door. So what we're going to do next is to set user codes. You want to set user codes to unlock your door from the outside. And this lock allows you to set up to 12 user codes. But first, let's get familiar with the keypad. As you can see, the buttons here, each one has two numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and the lock button. So if you want to enter a number, let's say you want to enter 1, you're going to press this button once. And if you want to enter 2, you're also going to press this button once. So let's say your code is 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if your code is 2, 1, 4, 3, you're also going to go the same way. 2, 1, 4, 3. So that's how it is programmed to work. So let's go ahead and add user codes. The first step is to go to the interior assembly and press the programming button. And now you want to press 1 and hit the lock button. Now enter your new code, 4 to 8 digits. Hit the lock button. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning your code has been added. So let's confirm it. Hit this button to lock. And now to unlock, let's enter the new code. So that's how it works. So let's add another code. Go to the interior assembly and press the programming button. And the next step is to press 1 and hit the lock button. Now enter your new code, 4 to 8 digits. Hit the lock button. So that's it, the new code has been added. Let's test it again. Hit this button to lock. And to unlock, let's enter the new code. So that's it. And if you want to remove a code, what you want to do is to go to the interior assembly and press the programming button. So what you want to do next is to press 3 and hit the lock button. Now enter the code you want to remove. Hit the lock button. Enter the code again. Hit the lock button. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been removed. So let's confirm it. Hit this button to lock. Now to unlock, let's enter the code we just removed. So you can see it's not working. Now let's enter an active code. So that's how to reset this lock and reprogram it. So I hope this video helps you. And if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.